probably 6 times at least.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Those are like 80 fireworks.
I would not mind being in charge of that. Just light those things, like being that close when they went off.
Chemical engineer?
Yeah, chemical, yeah.
There you go, you can make them.
You can make some
You can go
fireworks.
make fireworks.
Oh, that's a good
That
one.
would be an awesome job.
Woo! Oh, that is so cool.
Uh-oh, fancy with the Christmas music now.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Those are cool.
Those are my second favorite.
Oh man, oh crap. Okay, they're going to explode. They didn't explode. Here we go. Wow.
I feel like it's gonna catch you.
Ah.
Yeah. You'd think they would decide to light it somewhere else. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Those are really ADD fireworks.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's because of the guy thing. It's like a bomb in the air. It's not me.